around Hawaii, Hawaii Channel, waters around Oahu and Kauai Channel. The synopsis for Hawaiian coastal waters. A robust cold front near Kauai will continue to...
Oh wow, there it is, number 2.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm effective until 2 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Hawaii, Kauai, Honolulu, and Maui counties. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in or close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That's the first doubleheader. And yep, that makes sense. That makes so much sense.
Special marine warning for Alaniwihaha Channel until 9:45 a.m.
Are you kidding me right now? At least I got the
Kanaya, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Sad Buoy H South, Sad Buoy M, Sad Buoy JJ, Sad Buoy GG, and Sad Buoy North L. Prepare for gusty winds, steep and fast-building seas, and blinding downpours. Stay low or go below, and make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Gale warning through late this afternoon.
oh,
Severe thunderstorm watch 1 until 8 a.m. this morning.